Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to transfer files laptop to laptop wirelessly. So to do that, head over to your web browser and here tap on the Google Apps section and here scroll down and go to Google Drive. And in here, just tap on or click on New and create a new folder. Name this folder. Click on Create. And here, once you have created a folder, head over to this folder and just tap on New. And here you can add a file, a folder from here. Suppose I'm doing file upload. So here, this file is going to be added. Tap on Open. And as you can see, this file is getting uploaded. And once it is uploaded, you can just tap on the share icon right here and you will find it in here. Tap on your folder name and click on share. Click on share again and this layout will come and here tap on restricted and change it to anyone at the link. Now once the link is updated, click on copy link and the link is copied and you can just share the link with anyone with any laptop and they can open this link and access to this file. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and I will see you in the next video.